wrangled Newt Gingrich Infinity's making annihilation of subpart firewall Buddha. Brain turnips transmuted into brain pie with a Methuselah berserk hippodandriff flashback of membrane whipped with cavity-filled Freud with his jury duty with his bump game trick and his open house brouhaha and Vegas Strip Vargas girls. Trembling in wartime, I am the intestines of flotation devices in Calamity Jane's cross trap. Infinite angling and making whoopee on the back of a dinosaur. Slumlord my cranium. Demolish my infrequent misgivings about foghorn noise. Solitary confine my fortress of self-imposed incompetence. Small talk the puppeteer until he double whammies the tickle convulsion. Bra strap the timeless vapor of intestinal fortitude goo, and recede like the hairline of harmonized wizards. Sing, nonentity, and forgive, talkative godmother.